2, 1, and action.
Oh, well, hello there. I'm Nana Kunama, as you may already know, and I'm here to help you find your authentic self. Well, let's put that to the side for a moment.
Let's go in.
Bloopers.
Did you see the one where somebody did like all the different things you couldn't say? We had fun today.
I'm sorry, I'm laughing.
Loud, girl. It's funny. Didn't know they come. Because if I try something.
Actually, I'm here just to say thank you. 2019 has been an immense year, both for me personally and professionally. I launched nanakunama.com in February 2019 with the goal of presenting the tools, the tips, the tricks towards living a more authentic and meaningful life. And for 2020, we're going to be doing just that, but with even more. But I want to take a moment to really say thank you. You see, gratitude is a huge part of life. And what do I have to be grateful for? An amazing community that's been built in and around what I've started. And of course, the little things. I'm thankful to my team, thankful to my followers, thankful for all my supporters, for every guide you've downloaded, for every YouTube video that you've watched, for every click onto my website. All I have to say is thank you. I'm incredibly, incredibly, incredibly grateful. So Gratitude Brunch, what is it all about? Well, it is the first time of many gratitude brunches we're going to be hosting right in the new year on January 5th. We, as part of the whole year of Return Crazy, want to create a space where we can come together and self-care. As such, we're going to have a wonderful day starting at brunch, of course, at 11 to go on. Nana from Bliss Yoga will be teaching the gratitude flow, followed by Coach Cass is going to give us an amazing dynamic dance flow. And of course, we're working with our partners there, the community, to curate skincare vendors. I mean, where are you going to be on January 5th? Clearly at Nana Kunama's Gratitude Brunch. Come out, connect with the community, let's self-care together, and let's grow together. Peace.